Hello, welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics, continuation on finding the maximum and the minimum point as the application of differentiation. So if the point P have the coordinate 2 minus 1 is a turning point of the graph of y equals to ax squared plus bx plus c plus 3, find the values of a and what? B. So obviously, knowing this, the 2 and the minus 1 are the y and the x that we have. So first start, I will say that at p equals to 2 minus 1, using this, y is going to be negative 1 equals to a 2 square plus b2 plus 3, right? Replacing the x and the y with the point. That will leave us with negative 1 equals to 2 times 2. That will be 4a, then plus 2b plus 3. Let's see, if we send this here, it becomes minus. So I'll be having 4a plus 2b equals to minus 4. Don't forget, this is minus 1 minus 3. So you can see common factor of 2. So if I divide through by 2, I'll be left with 2a plus b equals to minus 2. That becomes the first equation that involves both a and b. All right. Now, what else again do we need? We hear the word turning point. So at the turning point, we need to know the differentiation of the curve. So first of all, we need to find the dy dx of the original point. So y, 2 come forward to multiply to give you 2ax. You subtract from the power, so the power is 1. Then plus, if you differentiate, you get only the constant plus 0. So this is what we are going to have. So the same way we had the point here, we don't have the y value here, but we can use the x values into this. So I'll be saying that at p2 minus 1, here your dy dx will now become, wherever I see x, I put in 2. So 2, okay, let me write it, 2ax 2. This is x value, y value, and no y value is here, so we pick the b like this to give us 4a plus what? B. I guess you get that? So that we eliminate the x as well from there. So we can see that we are talking about turning point. So at the turning point, the dy dx will also be 0. So at the turning point, dy dx is 0, meaning this implies 4a plus b will also be give us what? 0. So that's the second equation. So you can see there are two equations with involving two variables that is unknown. So solving them simultaneously. So solving equation 2 and 1 or 1 and 2 simultaneously, I see the same coefficient of b. So I'll perform elimination of b by subtraction. So I'll be having equation 2 minus what? Equation 1, right? So 4a minus 2a, that will be giving me 2a. b minus b, that will be giving me 0, equals to 0 minus negative 2. That will be 0 minus minus 2, so positive. So I have 2. So in the case of this, what happened? I can divide both sides by 2 to have my a equals what? 1. So if a is 1, we can find the b by saying that so from equation 1, your 2a, which is 1, plus b equals to negative 2. I believe this is going to be 2. So b will be equals to This minus 2 minus 2, that will be what? Minus 4. So what are we looking for? We are to find the value of A and B. So therefore, the value of A and B are going to be 1 and minus 4 respectively. So that is the value. So we can substitute that into this to get the equation as in y equals to A, which is 1. So it will be x squared b minus 4. So minus what? 4x plus 3. This will have been the equation of the graph that will have given us exactly this point at the turning point. I guess we are okay. Don't forget to share, like, and comment.